Rolling. All right, so here's the prototype ignition system. Inside of here is the battery, and it's wired up to a plug and a switch, so I can turn it on and off here. This sits on top of it, and if it's shut, it actually holds it pretty steady. So I'm gonna close this up so it's nice and steady. Then this powers 12 volts to the ignition system. Now the ignition has 9 channels of ignition, and it is powered by a key switch, so you can turn it on like that. Then each of the channels is here. Here's the ignition, and then I'm gonna test it out on these firecrackers here. So we're gonna try that out right now. Unroll them. It's quite a lot. It's okay. Then we're gonna hook up a lead. You can do any of them. Let's do number 3 because I'm holding it already. So I'm gonna hook up the igniter like that. Alright. Now we're gonna turn on the power here. On. Key switch is active. Ignition. So I guess it works.